Hi, my name is Janice and I created Page a Day Math. Page a Day Math is a step-by-step math fact system for children ages 3 to 8. Today I want to talk to you about the Math Handwriting Introduction series. This is our first series for the youngest learner, for children between the ages of 3 to 5 that are just starting to control and hold a pencil and form their letters and numbers, and that are interested in math and addition. So they're going to become familiar with addition through tracing. So it's a really popular series. Every box has 10 books and 14 days of practice per book, which gives you 450 problems a book. And in this series, there are over 4,500 problems in all. So by the end of the series, your child is really going to understand addition and how to form all their numbers really well. They're going to have great handwriting. So I want to show you book 1. This is book 1 through 10. So book 1 is very simple. You just get started. This will be the first page. They won't have any prior knowledge of numbers or tracing before this particular book. So they're just going to start learning one new skill a day or one new math fact a day through tracing. So here they're going to be tracing 0 plus 1. That's day 1. They fill it in a star when they're done. On day 2, they count the bones. They're learning 1 plus 1, and then they're tracing 1 plus 1 equals 2. They get practice tracing different numbers, and then they get practice with the actual math equation. And then on the back side of the page, they're practicing everything that they've learned up to that point. So there's one new skill a day plus cumulative practice. So day 2, when they're finished, they also get 2 stars. Day 3, they're going to get 3 stars. There's lots of cute, adorable pictures on each page to help them stay engaged. They're very cheerful sayings and encouraging statements. Now, when they get to day 14, they are going to fill in 14 stars at the end, and they get a certificate. So a certificate that they can feel really proud of. They'll be able to personalize it, and every certificate in the book is different. So I'm going to give you an example of also the last book. So the first book has Mo, the last book has Bo, and I'll show you another book. This book has Flo on their certificate. So at the end, when they're finished, they're going to have a lot of certificates on their wall or their fridge to feel proud of. You also notice that these books all have different color stripes at the top of every single book. Every book has a different color stripe, and each color stripe equals a number. And that's where the flashcards come in. So your child can also, as they're going through the books, create flashcards for that specific book and then practice. So the flashcards are really cute and colorful. So for example, book 1 has green, 1 is green, so all of the flashcards with the number 1 in them, so 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, etc., will have this green stripe. So you can print these out. These are downloadable. You'll be able to print these out and create flashcards. So you just print them out, and then you'll fold them in half. And then this is the front, the question side, and this is the back with the answer. And then when you get them all together, you can put them in a nice little box like this. So you can have them all together in one spot. And for all of the flashcards, in each operation, there are about approximately 150 flashcards. So that means that each flashcard has only one fact. Rather than one on the front, one on the back, each one has just one. So they're not confusing. They're very, very easy to follow. So as you're going through the books, you can have your child create the flashcards for that specific book. Another thing that I want to show you are the progress trackers. So the progress trackers, as your child is finishing a book, so if they finish book 1, they can circle that book. And once they're on book 2, they'll circle that book. So they can track their progress as they're going through the series. So that's another nice thing that kids can use as they're using this math series. We also have coloring pages, which you'll get with each series. So we've got Flo, Bo, Mo, Zoe, and Joe. There are assessments you'll get assessments so you can see exactly where your child is and how fluent they are in the math facts with our assessments. And these are all printed books. Right now they're available as downloads. So when you download the books and print them and staple them, this is what they'll look like. All right, so this is the books when you print them. And in January, we will have all of these books in a box, just like this, all ready to be sold exactly as you see it in this box. So anyway, thank you for joining us, and please email us if you have any questions, and share this video with your friends. Thank you.